Few things are more frustrating than walking from one room in your home to another and feeling a sudden temperature change. Drafty corners, overheated living rooms, or chilly bedrooms are often signs that your windows are no longer performing as they should. Over time, even well-built windows can lose their insulating ability. For homeowners in Eagle, upgrading to replacement windows is one of the most effective ways to maintain consistent indoor temperatures and improve everyday comfort. The role windows play in temperature-controlled windows are one of the largest openings in your home's exterior envelope. If they are outdated or poorly sealed, they can allow significant heat transfer. In Eagle homes, older windows may let warm air escape during cooler months and allow excess heat to enter during warmer periods. This constant exchange forces indoor systems to work harder and creates uneven temperatures throughout the house. Replacement windows are designed with modern insulation features that help regulate indoor conditions more effectively. Reducing drafts and air leaks. Drafts are a common cause of inconsistent temperatures. If you notice air movement near your windows, it's likely that seals have worn down or frames have shifted over time. Replacement windows installed in Eagle homes feature improved weather stripping and tighter seals, which minimize unwanted airflow. By eliminating drafts, rooms feel more stable and comfortable year-round. Advanced multi-pane glass technology. Modern replacement windows often include double or triple pane glass. These layered glass designs create insulating barriers that reduce heat transfer. In Eagle residences, this means cooler air stays inside during warmer months and warmth remains indoors when temperatures drop. The result is a more balanced indoor climate across all living areas. Minimizing hot and cold spots. Uneven temperatures often occur near older windows. Sofas or beds placed close to inefficient windows may feel uncomfortable due to heat gain or loss. Replacement windows in Eagle homes help reduce these hot and cold spots, allowing homeowners to fully use their living space without discomfort. Supporting efficient indoor systems. When windows allow temperature fluctuations, indoor systems must compensate. By upgrading to replacement windows, Eagle homeowners reduce the workload on heating and cooling equipment. More consistent indoor temperatures mean systems operate more efficiently and maintain stable comfort levels. Improved frame materials. Modern window frames are built for durability and insulation. Replacement windows available to Eagle homeowners use materials designed to resist warping and maintain a secure fit. Stable frames help ensure the window remains properly sealed over time. Enhancing comfort in every season. Temperature consistency is not just about winter or summer, it matters year-round. In Eagle homes, replacement windows help maintain a comfortable indoor environment regardless of outdoor conditions. By limiting temperature swings, they contribute to a more pleasant daily living experience. Increasing long-term home value. Upgrading to replacement windows offers both comfort and investment benefits. Homes in Eagle with modern window systems often appeal to buyers who value energy performance and consistent comfort. A smart step toward stable indoor living. If certain rooms in your home feel too warm or too cool, your windows may be the cause. For homeowners in Eagle, replacement windows provide a practical solution for maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. With advanced glass technology, secure sealing, and durable materials, modern windows create a more balanced and comfortable home environment. It's an upgrade that supports everyday living while improving long-term performance and peace of mind.